Good evening, good evening, good evening. Hey, my name is Randall Jenkins, and I am going to make this quick video for you. I want to talk to you today. I hope you're having a great day today. I know that I am, and I want to make this video. I'm very excited about talking about lead lightning and the power lead system. So, what I want you to do is I want you to focus on two places today, and I'm going to show you lead lightning and the power lead system. If you don't know what it is, lead lightning and the power lead system go hand in hand. Lead lightning is a lower version of the power lead system, but it is a lead generation system. This system can get you started to making money on a daily and weekly basis. So, as you can see right now, I'm in my system here, the power lead system, and there's two places, as I said, that we're going to focus on today, which is going to be lead lightning. Now, lead lightning is a one-time uh, free system. It's a $7 system, but also to market the system, it's going to be $15 a month. Okay, very reasonable. And the Power Lead system, which is the gold membership, is $30 a month. And what you want to do if you don't have the money right now to upgrade to the gold system, what you want to do is go ahead and get the lead lightning system, which is a cheaper system. Now, if you don't have money to do pay advertisement, what you want to do is, as you can see, I'm going to the training area. By getting lead lightning, you get your hands on um, the endless free leads. Okay, right here, the endless free leads course, which is made by Max Steingart. He is considered the father of social media marketing, and he trains more network marketer than anybody in the whole world. As you can see, this course is exclusive for silver and gold members. Okay, and this course is worth $300. So what you want to do is to get this course, become a silver member, and get this course, start going through the course, and this course will teach you how to talk to people in the social media arena. Okay, it's a great course. I have it, and it has helped me a lot. Okay, as I said, lead lightning is a stripped down version of the power lead system. Okay, uh, there's a $15 a month option. It'll give you access to Max's course. Free endless leads is valued at $300. Okay, and if you don't have the money, this is the course that you want to focus on. Okay, once you become a silver member and you start making money, another thing you want to do then is you want to upgrade. You want to become an affiliate and upgrade to the gold membership. Okay, the gold membership and to become an affiliate is $53 a month. But you can also, this will help you to grow your business by upgrading. And if you can upgrade, the free ad secrets course is the diamond purchase too. That course is a one-time $147, but these courses will teach you how to become a marketer and how to start making money on a consistent basis. So that's all I have today. I just wanted you to focus on those two things, lead lightning, and I have a link at the bottom of the video for lead lightning, and I have a link at the bottom of the video to become a gold member. Click on that link to become a gold member. It's going to take you to get a 7-day trial, and then you can become a gold member. Okay, Lead Lightning will be right away, and you will have that course to start teaching yourself, and also whoever becomes a gold member, I'm going to put you in my Facebook group, my exclusive Facebook group. If you become a gold member or you purchase the free ad secrets course. Okay, so my name is Randall Jenkins. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope this information helped you. I want to see you grow, and I want to see your business grow. Take care, and God bless.